Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add guidelines in Photoshop. Guidelines in Photoshop are non-printing lines that help you align object, text and design perfectly. They are very useful for creating clean, balanced and professional layouts. So let's get started. First of all, open your Photoshop, then create a new file. Press Ctrl R on your keyboard, then show roller line. Click on the move tool, click and draw horizontal, horizontal line and use perfectly. Go to view tab, new guide, new guideline, horizontal or vertical. Example, use vertical. Choose your pixel or percent. Example, use percent. See this. Again apply the same process for horizontal line. Pixels or percentage position. Click OK. That's it. Hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.